Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install DeepSeek AI on your iPhone. So at first open App Store, go to search option, search it to and click on, then showing it to install option, just click on to download. Okay, now start to download. Okay, now complete. So open. Now I'm provide how can easily use. Click on to agree and click on sign in with Google. Click on select or use another account. Click on to continue. Okay, now successfully open. So showing it to, if you want to add new chat or plus and write something, so I'm like write so look at this. When I'm write question, write solution, or if you want to add any photo, image, document from here. So that's how we can easily install and use DeepSeek on your iPhone.